What's up everybody, Lil DizNick here. I just wanted to record a really quick little video kind of doing a little review of a recent purchases that I've made that at this point, honestly, I'm really regretting them. So what I went and did is, and I'm recording with my old phone that I just upgraded from, the LG Stylo 5, and I went to T-Mobile, which I guess I should back up and say that the Stylo 5 was through Cricket. So I decided I wanted to try something different than Cricket. I've been with them for a few years. Haven't really had any issues, but just kind of ready to upgrade. So I went to T-Mobile to get on that 5G, and I went and I got the Samsung Galaxy A51, and it's been about 2 days now, 3 days I guess, since I got it, and it has been a nightmare. First off, I kind of want to give the phone props. The cameras on it are really good. It's got the multiple like 4 cameras for all different types of shooting, from macro to like wide angle, stuff like that, which that's all pretty good. The camera quality is really good. The video quality is really good. The biggest thing that I have to say about it though, the biggest gripe that I have is it's a $500 phone and it cannot maintain Bluetooth connection to my headset. And when I say that, I mean it won't. Whenever I'm in a call, just randomly, it drops out. I can hear whoever's on the call with me, but then they can't hear me. So I go to like speakerphone or something like that, and then back to Bluetooth, and they can hear me again. A few minutes later, it drops out again. Maybe an hour later, it drops out again. It's just totally at random. I've gone through all kinds of forums and things like that to try to see what the fix may be. Downloaded all the the most updated software. Took the phone back up to T-Mobile. They did like a network settings reset and all this stuff, and it's still doing it. So this is more or less just a a warning, I guess. Do not buy this phone. Do not buy this phone. I'm pretty sure it's probably a software issue. They may fix it in a later update, but I'm going tomorrow and I'm going to trade this thing in. Probably going to go ahead. I guess I'm going to get the S20. I don't know what I'm going to do, because at that point, I'm going to be paying so much between the phone and the plan. I'm going to be paying twice what I was paying for Cricket. And that's another kind of complaint, I guess, that I have, is the 5G is not what it's cracked up to be. The highest speed that I've been able to get on 5G is right around 3 megabits per second download, and about 7 up, which is weird, but that's the fastest speed that I've been able to get. Usually it gets around 1 to 2, both up and down, sometimes even less than that. There's sometimes it can't even hardly connect to the speed test. So 5G, maybe it'll be cool in the future, maybe not. But back to the Bluetooth thing. I was using this LG headset here, this little guy. It's the what is it? The HBS 780. I've had this thing for about 1.5 to 2 years now, and it's been a great headset. Cost about $60. I bought it from the Cricket store. One thing though is this cord kind of came loose on the inside, I guess, solder joint or something like that. So this earbud right here quit working. So I was only able to hear out of this side. But whenever the Bluetooth issue started, I thought, maybe it's my headset, maybe it's just old, something like that. So I went to Walmart and bought these skull candies here. These the True Wireless Active, like got the charging carrying case, all this stuff. These cost about $89 or $85 is what it was. They're $79.99 plus tax. And it does the same thing with these, and these are brand new and all that. So yeah, just take this as a warning. Do not buy the Samsung Galaxy A51, at least until they get this software issue or whatever the issue with the Bluetooth is. This phone is not worth $500. This phone ain't even worth $50 in my book, because it can't do the most basic thing, which is maintain a Bluetooth connection. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. comment, like, and subscribe. If you have an A51 and you're having the same issue, maybe you're having different issues, I would love to hear about them. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.